Come on, can I hide in the closet and come out at you guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, you need a knife so you can slit your throat, Bree.
Okay. Okay, go. Okay. Take one. No, Courtney, no, wait. Hey, someone here has to come in here. No, you have to look really stupid because it's going to be a funny one. You have to go.
Courtney, no, Kaylee, no.
I'll do it. Okay. No, you guys, wait a couple minutes though. Like, wait a few seconds.
You want to shut the door? Wait 5 seconds.
No, you just go in here and look really stupid and go. No, it's right here. No, you can't hold it. You have to let it sit there. Like the other
How do you know you're going to see the door?
Because it's pointed towards the door.
No, I'm going to stand right here and you'll see everything.
No, right here. Okay, gets the door too. Okay, no wait. Okay.
You can't wait.
No! Don't give me a gross.
Other side of the bed, you retard. Go out there.
Hang on.
Where is she?
Okay.
The front door is open. Oh my jeezle. What are you doing? Aren't you cold?
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside now.
No.
Come on.
No.
You died of pneumonia now. Let's go.
Okay.
Dude, what the hell? These fuckers are gonna die. Wait. What? No! Let me see that thing on your back.
Oh, looks like something bit you.
Oh.
Man, that's bad.
Does it hurt so bad that you're laughing?
Yes.
Oh man. We're gonna catch that damn thing.
We need to go to a hotel.
Get these motherfucking guns out of my house!
we need to go to a hotel.
Okay, let's go to a hotel. Let's go.
No.
Hurry.
No, I don't want be okay now.